Our DXY, so price mitigating the internal. Yesterday we could see it really respected this fair value gap on H1 that we had. Top, yeah, so buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and we saw now it going up. Yeah, so currently we could see now the most recent high that actually the hold high that we have on DXY. This is the one. Yeah, see, should be the target. This is the overall liquidity DXY is targeting. But we target that liquidity. Since we had a break of structure, we would expect some retracement. If I come to 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you could see, let me just minutes. So internal within our internal range, we have two fair value gaps, as you could see. You see these ones that I marked? Though this one is so small, so tiny, but it's still valid, yes? So according to our expansion leg, if we put our Fibonacci, we would expect maybe price to tap our fair value gap within discount. I think it might tap this tiny one before it continues to buy. Yeah, because we're looking to buy within areas of discount. Yeah, we still have a order block. If I could mark it, this is the order block. Funny thing, this is our extreme order block. We still have a fair value gap below, of which I really notice. You see, we almost have 3 fair value gaps within this range. So price either choose in between the two, this one or this one. But this is our extreme demand within this current range. So we have just to be keen enough buying within areas of discount at least. So those are the two areas I've spotted. So a short-term sell to buy. This is what actually I see on DXY before we proceed upwards. So when I look at gold actually it gave us a nice, it took out yesterday's low, as you could see. The previous put PDAL. But after taking out the previous low, we've been seeing now it's in a massive consolidation. Yeah, but as I come to 30 minutes or 15 minutes, I could possibly see a pile of low resistant liquidity. The time it was dropping yesterday, it was engineering all this kind of liquidity. You could see. And above that liquidity, do you see what I turned? I see sell side imbalance, which we literally see sell side imbalance. That's what we call fair value gap within the area of our extreme supply. So I would think before even the continuation to drop further, I would want to see gold taking out all this low resistance internal range liquidity, tapping at, even if it fails to tap this fair value gap, it can tap maybe somewhere here before we see a drop. So this is what I see. I see a short-term buy to sell on gold. Yes, though we haven't confirmed, I've been still waiting for the market maker buy model. Since now we took out the previous day low and the most recent short-term low, we had to liquidate it. As you can see, this is liquidity. This is the liquidation. So what I'm hoping to see, if this demand on 15 minutes now, if this supply in 15 minutes doesn't hold, if it holds, then actually if it holds, price will make a continuation downwards to target H4 last week is low. Yes. But for now, I'm hoping to see price giving us displacement upside. This displacement will give us actually a market maker buy model to see that we're buying at least, yes, below the previous day low. After taking out this massive liquidity of previous day low, then we see price displacing above, giving us a change in character. Then we shall see that, yeah, we could buy gold. But for now, I can see gold hasn't given us information. So I've just marked this, you see this range, I've just marked this fair value. And these were my aggressive entries because definitely we are still below previous day low of which we took out. I'm expecting price to at least go back towards the previous day high to realign bearish, because here we are above, we have reference areas. We have some PDRAs actually to fulfill. We still have the fair value gap here, and we still have this trend line liquidity. So basically, I'm waiting for a break out of to see a break out of this falling channel. Yes, if price breaks, then I'll be so good to pair up my long entries. So this is what I see on gold. I see a short-term buy to sell. Short-term buy to sell. And this buy, we're still initiating a buy. We're still in the range. So once we take out this short-term eye, we shall have a displacement higher. Then it will leave us with some institutional area of reference like a fair value gap or other block below. Then we shall have our long entries. But if this supply fails, then we should expect gold to continue lower, as it will be targeting this short-term low. Yeah, the only thing why I'm so convinced with this aggressive entry, when it came to make a new lower low, failure swing. Yeah, it gave us a failure swing. This swing failed to make a new lower low. So price came back inside the internal, of which this has been a consolidation phase. So I'm just waiting at least, yeah, to first take out the Asian eye. This is the Asian eye of today. Yeah, then we shall pair up, we shall do our realignment to see if we can confirm upwards here to sell maybe during New York session. I know gold is so active during New York session. It's very active. Yes. So London, it can give you a move, but sometimes it likes to consolidate range. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting to see a buy. And same applies to my GU. This is a GU. I'm expecting to see price mitigating these areas, that in this unmitigated area. First of all, we have this that we have, and we have extreme supply. So I'm seeing on GU price is still in a consolidation. I'm seeing a push up. If it can this decision supply holds, we can target the extreme supply within the 30 minutes time frame, so that we see that we continue to do what? To sell. So this is what I saw.